QL 120 Rgb Fans unboxing. Let's get to it. Boom. Off top, I must say the QL 120 Rgb fans from the packaging look great from the outside, right? So now I gotta see, because this is my first time. As I said in previous videos, I'm working on my first build. My first gaming PC, right? Should I say that? Because I've had others, but not a gaming PC where games, edits, does it all, right? So, let's get to this unboxing and see what's inside the box. And leave in the comments if you ever had these fans. Are they quiet? Are they loud? I don't know. It's my first time. Maybe you can help me out. We all need a little help. And being my first build, I'm taking all suggestions, opinions, experiences. Let me know, what was your experience with the QLs by Corsair, right? So we're trying to get this unboxing going. You know, I happen to be a little neat freak when it comes to this. So there we go. Whoa. By the way, check us out on The Lockout, which is my other channel where I tell my story and how I got here, right? From jail, Rikers Island, gangs, running the street, indulging in all types of negative activities, to podcasting, and now trying to do or doing the tech thing, right? So let's check it out. Boom. And if I could do it, anything is possible. Oh, off top, the first thing in here, it's a different type of box. Okay, I'm figuring this is the ship. You know what I mean? Like the things, the connectors where you actually connect all of them to, and the controller, I think, something like that, right? Leave in the comments, what would you call it? I look at it like the controller, the hub, the board, right? Like where all of them go plugged into. So yeah, that's what's basically in here. Boom. That little hub where you could plug 6 of them in there. I don't know if you guys can see. And this goes to the motherboard, right? I know that much. Now I'm pretty bright. So I see RGB hub. Told you, it says it right there. Boop. I don't know if you can see RGB hub. RGB hub. So and it has a few screws. And these are them right here. About to take one out. I bought the 3-pack and I bought 2 boxes. Came out to, if I'm not mistaken, it was $149, $149. It's like $300 and something. Facts, for 6 of them. I bought them directly from Corsair. Oh, it said that, right? Let me know if you ever bought them and what went on with you. This is how the fans come. Or they wired in the back and all that. So, you know, like the wires, I don't mean they wired in the back. They do got wires connected to them, but they're in this little box like this. And the packaging is awesome when it first comes, right? Like, I'm very big on packaging, bro. If the packaging is not right, and I know you're not going to use the packaging, but it's very important to me. It shows if the company takes pride in what they do or not. These are them. The awesome thing about these is that the QLs, you're able to get the RGB effect on both sides of your fans. Boom and boom. You understand? And the other ones, which I think are the LLs or the MQs, leave in the comments if you know, they have like this big sticker on the other side of the fan right here, right? And it says like something about the company or what. I don't even know what they say. I just know it looks ugly to me. Like it bothers me, but I just wish that the inside right here was black. If it looks black on a lot of builds, so just a heads up, guys, it's not black. It's actually like like a aluminum type of color, and it's actually feels like a little aluminum, and it just has the Corsair, you know, the claws of their logo, symbol, or what have you, right? Does it have arrows pointing? Which, oh, this is a boo-boo of theirs? Oh no, it was some yellow there. Does it have arrows on where does the, yes, I seen this today in another content creator. I'm sorry, I forgot his name. He was doing a review on fans. And right here in the bottom of these fans, by where the these plugs are at, it has two arrows where it shows that where the air is coming out to. So if you want to put your fans in a certain direction, either blowing air into your PC, into your build, or out, right? However you're trying to set it up. Hopefully you'll be doing it the correct way. I see a lot of people having problems with that. But the arrows are right there. I don't know if you guys can see them. Right there with the focus. You see the arrows right here? Boop. Right there. It's like one up or one down, what have you. So, yeah. I think they're pretty nice. These are the 120. It comes with 3 of them. These are 2 more in the box. Boom. And I have another box over here. Another box in the bag right here. So I bought 6 of them, and I didn't need 6 fans. So, you know, again, my first build, I just figured, like, you know what? The more fans, the more fans, the better, right? No pun intended. But you can never have leftover fans. I'm gonna find something to do with them. I'll put them as earrings, RGB'd out, right? But I plan on doing other builds and building a PC even for my peoples and so forth, right? So this PC, this is the case. I should have ordered the Corsair case also, but I already had ordered it when I didn't know I was gonna get the Corsair fans. So I ordered the Golden Field. I paid almost $90 for the Golden Field at that time. When I seen Corsair cases, they were half that price. And Corsair being one of the top lines, if not the top, right? To some people. But it's definitely up there in the top 3 or top 5 and number 1 for a long time, until a lot of people still number 1. Leave in the comments if Corsair is number 1 to you, or if you, at this point we're just paying for a name. Comment, subscribe, hit like, dislike, do something with yourself. But anyway, I love those people that are positive and just wanna you know, no hatred and big ups, or happy when people are doing good things in the world and trying to do different things with their life. I already told you guys, I'm trying to do something different, something new. This keeps me out of trouble, and it keeps me sane, and it keeps me off the streets of New York that are no good. Facts. With that being said, follow us here on Tech for Rec and on The Lockout, where I talk more about myself and my story, and we coming with a whole lot more content everywhere. We also on Spotify, iHeartRadio, wherever you listen to your favorite podcast at. But we getting into this, and this is what's happening. Corsair QL 120 fans. Have you had them? Were they any good? Did I spend my $300? Should I send them back? Are they quiet? What do I need for my first build? A Phillips screwdriver, a flathead? What do I do? Leave that in the comments. I answer back all comments. I ain't got nothing else better to do. Love y'all. You already know. Tech for Rec. Together we can. Tech like dumb. Let's get it.